Hey guys, welcome to Martin James Designs. I'm on my property here in Squamish BC. I have an 1.5 acres and I'm going to be building my family a home as well as an art studio and some other cool things on the property. But the other thing I'm going to be building is my custom dream shop. I've decided to pull the camera out and start documenting the entire build. So if you guys are into cars, motorcycles, this shop's gonna have everything that a guy would want in his shop with bike lifts, car lifts. It's gonna have powder coat and paint area, all those good things. So if that interests you, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like, and I'm gonna start a build series on this. So this is the first episode and I'm gonna show you guys around where the new shop's gonna be going. The title is pretty intriguing. It says stop work order. That's exactly what's going on here. I purchased this property 6 months ago. Built lots of homes before, but this one was a huge undertaking. We started the renovation and we've been in for permit at the district for, it's been 6 months now, and we still haven't received a permit on the house or the shop. But 3 months ago, I decided to start building and I got super impatient. It's the number one thing that I struggle with the most is my impatience. And I went ahead and started building. I put an addition on the house and everything without a permit, and I put the footings in the shop, and I definitely got in trouble for it. So somebody told on me, unfortunately, and we've been at a full standstill on this property. So I'm finally hearing back from the district that they're reviewing my permit now. So any day now, we're gonna be starting again. If you guys have noticed, I've been working out of a rental shop that's been less than ideal for me. But if you've been following that build that I'm working on right now, the Outcast build, there's a whole build series on that. Make sure you guys go check that out. But this new shop, I'm so excited about. I've been waiting a long time to finally get this thing underway, and this is kind of the lay of the land. So I'll show you guys where it's going to be situated. So as you enter the property here, there's a long driveway down there. That's where the shop's going. At the very end of the driveway, I'm going to have a separate entrance, which is going to be really nice. And then this is walking into the property. There's a couple of my machines. That's Bobby and that's Robert. They've been parked for a while now because I haven't been doing much here, but should be getting ready to go any day. There's a whole back of the properties back there. That's where the majority of the land is. And this is the old farmhouse I was working on that we put a big addition on. I figured I'd do a little episode on that here soon. There's that beautiful big fluorescent sign. That's what I earned myself for working without permission. Whoops. So hopefully I'll be able to remove that fairly soon. It's my dump trailer. That thing's worked its ass off here. It was one of the best purchases I made. This thing took down a barn, all sorts of stuff. This is my big Winnebago trailer. We stayed here in the summertime a lot while we had things under construction. This is a shot of the house. I've documented it, but this has been a full renovation. But we're at a standstill right now, so there's nothing going on at this time. That used to be a greenhouse, turned it into an art studio. That's where I do all these video edits and a whole bunch of graphic design, creative things like that. I got my sea can back there. That's where I store all my tools and things like that I'm using to work on the property. This is our little Defender. That's a workhorse on the property. This isn't my truck. A friend of mine's just storing it here. And this is gonna be a little dirt bike area. So we're gonna be building a little pit bike track back here. My brother and I built a jump back there. So we got it started and been bringing in a ton of dirt. But we're gonna hopefully turn this into a little fun zone in the summertime. Okay, let's head to the shop. Okay, so here's the shop. I got as far as digging a hole and got the footings in before I was told to stop. So this is where we're at right now, but we're gonna get moving again here really soon. I'll tell you guys a little bit about the shop. So it is going to be a 40 foot by 30 foot shop with a full vaulted ceilings on the back half of it, where you see where that footing is there. That's gonna be an upper level with office space, flex space above it, and the rest of the shop will be full vaulted. There's a big 20-foot garage door at the front entrance, and then off the side there's going to be a toy garage for motorcycles and ATVs and pit bikes and things like that. So that's going to be pretty sweet. It's a total barn style shop, and in this it's going to have 2 motorcycle lifts, a car lift. The back corner of the area, I'm hoping to do a little spray booth. We're gonna have a section for powder coating, so when I'm working on the motorcycles I can do everything in-house. I'll be able to powder coat my own parts, be able to paint the bike, and do all the fabrication as well. We'll have welders and drill presses and all sorts of cool stuff. So that's the plan. If you look here, that you can see the house from the shop. And then this is the long driveway. I'll be paving all this in asphalt, and there'll be a big huge parking space out front here for all the toys and cars. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna be moving ahead hopefully any day now. I'm hoping by next week I'll be starting to put this foundation in. That's kind of my plan in the next couple weeks, I should say. So I'm gonna start a full series on this and do a little build documentation, showing you guys the process from start to finish, and I'll put out little episodes. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, leave a comment if you want, ask questions, and thanks for watching, guys.